नहीं 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 आप
प्राइड के लिए बच्चे
बच्चे लोग अच्छा लगेगा ना तो बुके 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 नहीं बुके नहीं हाल जी
कवर से बाहर
कवर से बाहर निकल सर आप बैठे दीजिए
भगवान पे जाकर
हरे कृष्णा
थोड़ा
to
चेयर
all the
नीचे कर
devotees
दीजिए थोड़ा चेयर को
assembled
नीचे
here.
कर दीजिए चेयर का हाइट 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 एडजस्ट कर दीजिए बैठने के बाद करना पड़ेगा शायद आप प्रेस करने के बाद अपने चेयर पर बैठिए
A hearty welcome to our distinguished guest, Sri J.K. Gayan sir, General Manager INRPK and Executive Director Operations NRB for gracing this auspicious event. Now I request Sri Sadhu Khan sir to present a bouquet to Sri J.K. Gayan sir. And also felicitate Sri J.K. Gayan sir.
At least somebody else can do. Someone else also can do. Just think over.
I request Sri Ram Durai sir to felicitate Sri J.K. Gayan sir. Thank you, sir. As we all know, Sri Krishna Janmashtami happened to be on 16th August in this year. As a part of Janmashtami celebrations, a blissful Sankirtan program was held on 17th August. Parallelly, various competitions such as coloring, drawing and painting, sloka recitation, devotional songs, devotional dance and Kahoot quiz has been conducted for different age groups. We had wonderful participants with awesome performances that made it a bit difficult for judges to select the prize winners. That was a memorable experience of Janmashtami celebration. In this context, I want to state two slokas from Bhagavad Gita. Panchaitan Mahabaho Karanani Nibodhame Sankhye Krutani Proktani Siddhaye Sarvakarmana Adhishtanam Tathagata Karanaccha Prithakvidham Vividhasya Prithakcheshta Daivam Chaivatra Panchamam. This means for every success there are 5 causes involved. They are the place, doer, resources, efforts and most importantly the blessings of God. I am sure that because of all these 5 reasons, Janmashtami celebrations was a huge success. I pray to God that this event also should be a memorable experience for us. But before going to prize distribution event, let us have a feedback session regarding our regular Sankirtan program as well as on Janmashtami celebration. Now, I would like to call Sri Ram Durai sir to share his feedback or experience. Please come.
Hare Krishna. Good morning to everyone. Sri Gayan sir. Last week, same time, we have
Power
celebrated
on.
Janmashtami celebration.
Ready to pair.
And the response was really overwhelming. And divine atmosphere was felt. Here, the atmosphere was really divine, and from young children to all people they participated. The program was very well organized and categorized in different ages and like drawing, chanting and dancing, sloka. All the participants participated, especially the young budding people. Their presence was very nice, and I also brought my grandson from my house and he also participated in this program. And now it is very essential to inculcate the spiritual values to the young budding people right from the young age itself, because we can understand the fading spiritual values of present scenario. The young children should be they should go take the path of spiritual values, and Sri Sadhu Khan has taken that mantle in his hand, and he is dedicating himself for this journey, and we should all benefit with his total devotion and dedication for this spiritual journey, and shows his spiritual greatness. And my humble request is we have to conduct this kind of program more frequently, and maybe once in 6 months or 3 months, and more and more people should participate and get the blessings of Lord Krishna. And I also thank the volunteers who have done a very excellent job systematically organizing the various programs, and all the strike prisoners, those who missed within a small victory, they also get better luck next time. And thank you one and all.
I also want to thank Ramdarai because he is coming from a distance. Kelambakam he is coming and regularly. He started some 3-4 weeks back only and regularly he is coming. Yes, he is not missing. So he is very sincere. So let us all thank him also.
I would call Sri Krishna Priya ji to share her feedback.
उसपर लिखाई बाहर लिखाई उसमें लगा के देखेंगे इसका साउंड कैसा है. Your name बताइए. Krishna Priya. Your children name? Diya Silva.
Thank you for conducting such a wonderful program. What I feel is if we try to some more kids on that day, our children will learn more Sri Krishna Leelas. And singing and dance also more about Lord Krishna, it will be more better. That's it.
And next time we will keep fancy dress also. Next time we will keep fancy dress also. And how frequently you can be participating that? One
I
thing.
am having a small Krishna in my house.
Okay.
He is showing me all Krishna Leelas daily.
So once in 3-4 months or 6 months we can conduct this.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the Sankirtan program regularly you can join. That is every week is there. These competitions we can have 3-4 months once in Sankirtan. इसका साउंड अच्छा है. ये माइक थोड़ा रोको देखो. Try this mic. That is echoing. That one is echoing.
Echo we can reduce, sir. Echo is reduced.
This mic you try both. Which was better that you see? This is better. Give to others. You see. Now anybody else? Padmini madam online.
Now I request
कोई
Shrimati.
इधर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है.
Now I request Suman Priyadarshi ji to share his experience.
Who? Suman Priyadarshi.
माननीय अश्विनी रेश महोदय,
इधर आ जाइए. इधर आ जाइए. अच्छा ठीक है. रास्ता क्लोज करो.
और कीर्तन के संयोजक गुरु
Off. Right now you off it.
बहुत ही
Then you are tweaking. Then you off.
खुशी की बात है कि हमें कलपक्का में कीर्तन का समय हमारे गुरु माननीय साधु हंस के माध्यम से 2 घंटा देने का समय मिलता है. कीर्तन के माध्यम से हमें मन की शांति, दूसरों के प्रति दया, सहानुभूति करना का भाव सीखने को मिलता है. और आज के समय में भगवान के प्रति अपना कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करने के लिए कीर्तन बहुत ही सुगम और अच्छा साधन है. हमारे बहुत से ऐसे कवि हैं, माननीय चैतन्य महाप्रभु, सूरदास, तुलसीदास जी, कबीरदास जी, ये सभी कीर्तन के माध्यम से ही अपने आप को भगवान के प्रति समर्पित किए हैं. इसलिए कीर्तन बहुत ही अच्छा माध्यम है आज के समय में भक्ति का. तो मैं सभी से यही निवेदन करूंगा कि जितना हो सके आप समय कीर्तन में दें, क्योंकि इससे हमारे दिल और अंतरात्मा में जो भी बुराइयां हैं, दुर्गुण हैं, वो दूर होते हैं. धन्यवाद.
I request Srimati Padmini Mataji to give her feedback.
She's online.
Sir, game.
Came up. I think in this speaker some problem is there. In this mobile, you can try to connect with the or mic you put here. My mic you put now. Mic. स्पीकर का चाहिए speak okay Padmini, you can tell.
Hare Krishna, we are all morning to everyone. First of all, we are all fortunate to have a saintly personality like Sarkar sir in our life. The weekend teaching program is excellent and mesmerizing. In fabric, we forget all our troubles and difficulties for 24 hours in life and completely get absorbed in the system. And the chanting Mahamantra gives lot of, it's really very good that sir is making all the chant Mahamantra. And my suggestion regarding the Sangeet program is that the Bhagavad Gita, teaching of Bhagavad Gita should be spent more time and or at least give equal opportunity for Sankirtan and Bhagavad Gita equally. And computer based also improves our knowledge, and this can be held every 2-3 months or at least on the completed chapters of the Bhagavad Gita. It is very fun and enjoyable. And regarding the Janmashtami celebration, it's a very successful event. It takes a lot of time and effort for organizing such a big event. The volunteers and judges have done their best. And this sort of celebration can be held once in 2-3 months or on special occasions. The sir has inculcated spiritual values in both the elders and children equally. Thank you.
Thank you. Others also have same opinion. Normally we do 1.5 hours Kirtan and 45 minutes Bhagavad Gita, but she is telling equally. Kirtan and Bhagavad Gita class equal duration. Are there others also agreeing to that or?
No sir, ऐसे ही
कीर्तन ही ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So Padmini, most of the people are telling Kirtan more, and I also feel for the newcomers etc. Kirtan more is more important. Whoever is already in devotion, for them class is more. So what you will do, we'll keep your thing also. So we'll slightly increase Bhagavad Gita duration, slightly reduce Kirtan duration. But it cannot be made fully equal as of now. I think most people will be liking Kirtan only more. So we'll increase the Bhagavad Gita duration reduce, but not equal proportion. Okay.
Now I requested Dhiru Kumarji to give his feedback.
पहले मेरा सभी लोगों को धन्यवाद। पिछले लास्ट 3-4 साल से पता नहीं क्यों अंदर से काफ़ी बेचैनी फील होता था, बहुत परेशान रहता था। सालुखान सर बहुत बार मुझे बोले कि आप आओ और देखो कि क्या मतलब होता है, लेकिन मैं पहले आया ही नहीं। आज का जनरेशन जो है वो जो भी मेरे मन में है वो मैं बता रहा हूँ। आज के जनरेशन में क्या होता है कि हम एक भौतिकता की तरफ ज़्यादा मूव करते हैं, स्पिरिचुअलिटी को कहीं ना कहीं हम छोड़ रखे हैं। उसमें क्या है कि हमारे अंदर दोनों स्पेस होनी चाहिए। स्पिरिचुअलिटी को हम लोग साइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये तो ऐसे ही होता है, अंदर से बेचैन रहेंगे आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, आपका कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं रहेगा। तो उसके बाद फिर मुझे लगा कि हमें आना चाहिए। यहाँ आए हुए मुझे ज़्यादा दिन तो नहीं पड़ा है, ऑलमोस्ट 2 मंथ हो गया। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अंदर से कुछ एक पीस जैसा फील हो रहा है, अंदर से शांति जैसी फील हो रही है मेरे अंदर। और इस वजह से मैं शायद पूरे लाइफ कंटिन्यू करूँ, अपने अंदर एक स्पिरिचुअल जो इमोशंस है उसको डेवलप करूँ और आगे जाके अपने बच्चों को भी मैं इसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए उनको मोटिवेट करूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ji. Now I request S.N. Sahu ji to share his experience.
आदरणीय जेके गायन सर, नमस्कार। प्रणाम हमारे गुरु जी, आध्यात्मिक गुरु जी, साधुगण सर।
अरे मैं गुरुजी नहीं हूँ, अरे आई विल कनेक्ट यू टू गुरुजी, आई एम नॉट।
प्रणाम और साधुगण सर, नमस्ते। उपस्थित सब मेरा दोस्तों, उपस्थित सब मेरा छोटा भाई बहनों, सबको मेरा सादर प्रणाम। आज का ये शुभ अवसर पर मैं सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
सब इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि ऑल यू नो हिंदी पीपल may not be knowing. You tell in English. If possible, try to tell in English. Hindi okay, okay.
आज का ये शुभ अवसर पर मैं सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। जो भी उपस्थित भाई बहनों जन्माष्टमी सेलिब्रेशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, सबको मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, चाहे मेरा भाई बहन हो और उनका पिता माता हो। हर एलियर देश में मैं भी जब स्टूडेंट के में था, ऐसा ही संकीर्तन में वीकली एक बार पार्टिसिपेट करता था, जिसके वजह से पढ़ाई के साथ साथ इमोशनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यू में इंक्रीज हुआ था। इसके प्रति राग देश ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, मन में शांति था। आज का दिन में हम लोग स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यू के साइड से थोड़ा हटके हम हमारा पर्सनल बेनिफिट के लिए बहुत सारा देखते हैं, लेकिन वो होने का साथ साथ भी हमको कुछ स्पेस रखना चाहिए जो कि भगवान के पास हम जाए, ध्यान करें। इसे साथ हमेशा बोलते हैं, स्वान ऐसा एक पक्षी है जो कि उसका वाटर और दूध को जानता है और वाटर को छोड़ के वो दूध को ही पीता है। सिमिलरली हम लोग भी स्पिरिचुअल वे में धीरे धीरे आएंगे तो हमको पता चलेगा कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है, कौन सा करने से दूसरों को दुख देगा, क्या चीज करने से दूसरों को शांति देगा, अपने को शांति देगा, हमारा पिता माता को शांति देगा, बच्चे को शांति देगा। हम स्पिरिचुअल फील्ड के साथ स्पिरिचुअल साइड में थोड़ा टाइम देंगे तो हमको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा, एक दिन नहीं, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, लेकिन नेक्स्ट डे में जरूर पता चलेगा हम जो काम कर रहे हैं वो दूसरे के लिए अच्छा के लिए कर रहे हैं कि नहीं है। और अच्छा चीज हम जरूर करेंगे, हम दूसरे के साथ राग द्वेष नहीं रखेंगे, हम अच्छा चीज के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे। जैसे साहब बोल रहे हैं, करते रहिए अपना काम, मरते रहिए हरि का नाम। इसी तरह हमको ध्यान रखना चाहिए, काम करते साथ साथ श्योरली करते रहिए अपना काम, हंसते रहिए हरि का नाम, तभी जीवन में सुख, शांति और प्रीति मिलेगा। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri Abhimanyu Singh ji to share his experience.
I think he has not come.
I request Shri Abhay Kumar ji to share his feedback.
आदरणीय गायन सर जी and Sadhukan sir ji and आए हुए कुछ नए अतिथि हैं, सभी को मेरा सुबह का प्रणाम। वैसे मेरा भक्ति के प्रति लगाव शुरू से था, लेकिन साधु खान जी के सर के संपर्क में आने के बाद थोड़ा एक सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से भक्ति के प्रति थोड़ा लगाव ज़्यादा बढ़ गया। हमको इसमें कुछ हानि नहीं लग रहा है, कभी हानि नहीं हो सकता है इसमें भक्ति से जुड़ने से। ये मैं कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि आप जो सोचेंगे वो नहीं होगा, लेकिन जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा, बुरा नहीं हो सकता। मेरा सबसे बड़ा यह एक्सपीरियंस है, यहाँ 5 साल के बच्चे से लेके 75 ईयर के बुजुर्ग लोग भी रेगुलर यहाँ आते हैं और सभी सिर्फ इंजॉय नहीं करते हैं, एक मन में शांति लेके यहाँ से जाते हैं। और मैं यंग लोगों से जो आज पहली बार भी यहाँ बहुत आए हुए हैं, और उनसे मैं यही कहूँगा एक सप्ताह में 2-3 घंटा के लिए टाइम हम लोग निकालेंगे तो एक अच्छे रास्ते पे जरूर आगे बढ़ेंगे और मन में शांति भी रहेगा। और आप लोग अपने दोस्त को बताइए, इधर उधर अननेसेसरी टाइम पास करने से अच्छा है सप्ताह में 2 घंटा भक्ति की तरफ, भाई जबरदस्ती नहीं, मन से खुशीपूर्वक जुड़िए। और कुछ दिन जुड़ने के बाद फिर एहसास कीजिए कि आज तक जो एक हम लोगों को आगे बढ़ना चाहिए था, कहाँ मिस हो रहा है, वो अब मिस को नहीं होने देंगे। और घायल सर को मैं पहली बार यहाँ देखा, और आने के साथ ही घायल सर का हमको लगा था चेयर पे आके बैठेंगे, लेकिन मन में इतना भक्ति था कि चेयर पे नहीं बैठे और भक्ति के नाम पे सबके साथ नीचे बैठे। और हम लोग समझ सकते हैं घायल सर के भक्ति को हम लोग नहीं देखे, मन में कितना उनके भक्ति है, ये मेरा फीलिंग अपना है। और इसके साथ मैं और इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा। और मेरे मीटिंग से कुछ बुजुर्ग भी आए हुए हैं, उनसे निवेदन करूँगा, आप जब तक यहाँ रहते हैं आप आइए बराबर। क्या सर आपको अच्छा लगा होगा? हाँ, आप यहाँ रहते हैं, आप आइए जब भी रहते हैं, सप्ताह में 2 दिन आइए, 1 दिन ही है 2 घंटा, आप आएंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को। ओके, धन्यवाद।
आपका नंबर किसी को दे दीजिए, मुझे या भवानी किसी को, ग्रुप में ऐड कर देंगे सब रेगुलर
दे दीजिए, आपको मैसेज बराबर यहाँ से मिलेगा, आपको ज्वाइन कर देंगे ग्रुप में। ओके, हमारे बिल्डिंग में ही है, इनको
आप भी नंबर दे दीजिए, बाद में वो भूल गया तो आप दे दीजिए।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir. Now I requested Rajesh ji to share his experience.
प्रसाद रेडी कर सकते।
First of all, I would like to thank you 2 people. Like firstly to Bhavani garu who introduced me in this Sankirtana program. Generally, I started coming to Sankirtana just initially for only prasadam. Last I used to come, but slowly, I don't know. Sadhana sir voice maybe magic is there or Krishna magic, I don't know. Slowly, I became addicted to come to the program. And another thing I should say thanks to Manikanta, because initially I don't know whether to come or not, what going on, I don't know. But he gave one good feedback. And I come, whether irrespective of the devotion or other things, that 2-3 hours you will be in different world. So the same thing I am experiencing every week. So and finally I should say thanks to Sadhukan sir, because nowadays people are very busy in their own things. We know is about him, and still in this busy schedule he could able to manage time and arrange this kind of programs is not a small thing, it's a very good thing, and I should say thanks to him. And finally, I should say thanks to Sadhukan's family, because every week they are bearing us and they are feeding us. So we should say thanks to them also. And finally, like in the two things will say, generally after Sankirtan, we will learn something, we will feel something. But once after going back, we may forget everything. So then we may feel that why to go to Sankirtan and doing puja, bhajana and all. But there is one thing. Like even some vessel, like I don't know in English word, like we will call some vessel kind of thing. What name Hindi lo?
Basket.
Yeah, basket with holes. So somebody is trying to bring water from the pond with the basket with like with the holes. No, we know it may not be good. Like we cannot bring the water. But there is one thing, every time you are bringing water in that basket, no, that basket gets being purified. So same thing in Sankirtan also, you may not carry everything, but every time you are chanting that they are God name, no, obviously our heart, whatever our intention will be purified. So for making us to do so that thing, so I should say thanks to Sadhukan sir. So thank you everyone.
Now, I would like to share my personal experience regarding Sankirtan program. As we all know, we have 4 yugas: Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. In Krita Yuga, if we want to communicate to God, we have to perform severe austerities like internal reflection, deep meditation, self-control and all these things. In Treta Yuga, we have to perform grand rituals like Aswamedha Yaga, Putra Kameshti Yaga and grand yajnas and sacrifices. In Dwapar Yuga, through worshipping of deities in temples and serving them with devotion, the communication can be established. But in Kali Yuga, we can communicate to God through Nama Sankirtan, which we are doing in our regular Sankirtan programs. I really thank God to give such a saintly person like Sadhukan sir for conducting all these Sankirtan programs and wiping off the piled up negativity in us and refilling us with positivity of spirituality. This really is giving us a charge to perform our duties in a much more efficient way. My respectful obeisances to Sadhukan sir for conducting this type of regular Sankirtan events. Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri J.K. Gayan sir, our distinguished guest, to deliver his talk.
Open it.
Hare Krishna.
It is coming.
Hare Krishna. Actually, this is my first time to come this type of gathering. Of course, I am not involved, but my family background is there. My father and mother, दोनों हरे कृष्ण संघों से associated है. And my grandmother, my mother's mother, she was also devotee of Hare Krishna. So sometime I was with her in my childhood. So I used to see all those things from childhood. But because of, since it is Puri-Yug, separate to the Puri-Yug, lot of other things will be there. We may not get time or opportunity or facility to be involved in such type of activities. But thing is that in earlier days, the way of connecting God is something different. But now the way is different. So our methodology, procedure, all those things also will be different. So it may not be possible to go to forest or something remote place, devote yourself full time. But always it is possible to make some time, spare some time from your daily routine, materialistic approach. You can take some time to devote yourself to Lord Krishna. I have seen this society, I mean people, they are doing very good things, they are realization, and after attending this Kirtan, they have all benefited. I also personally feel that definitely it will benefit. And in this context, I really congratulate and appreciate Sadhuka approach and dedication and bringing all the people together and making them realize that this thing also equally important in our life. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you all.
Now I request Sri Sadhu Khan sir to deliver his talk.
Thank you everyone. I will not take much time. It's time to. So everybody is thanking me, but it is unjustified actually. I feel I am not that qualified, but somehow I have been kept like when a magnet is there, if you keep a nail in contact with that, that nail also shows magnetic behavior. Even if some paper is there or something also there, like magnet if you keep here, this side even nail is there, still when that nail comes in contact with other nails, it attracts the nails. So it appears that it is a magnet, but actually thing is that behind the scene, something is there behind the scene. Actually that is my guru, my spiritual teacher. That magnet is that my guru is my spiritual teacher who has kept a useless person like me also engaged in this service. So he is Leela Purushottam Prabhu. Our official name is Dr. Lakshmidhar Behera. He is the director of IIT Mandi. So regularly I get connected through him through his online classes. So he has that online program also. Something is there like online regularly. He will be conducting the programs. Even Learn Gita, Live Gita program is there. Some lot of videos will be there. Courses will be there. Videos will be there. Some very minimum charges you will be taking, and these courses they will benefit it greatly. So at any point of time you can hear those things, and we can always communicate with him. And every day we can hear his voice through online. So online he will be conducting a chanting session from morning 5:30 to 7:30 like that. And then some Bhagavad Gita recitation will be there. And then Bhagavatam class will be there. So daily he will be there. And we have seen how busy his schedule is. You are seeing my position, and he is the director of IIT Mandi. And every week, at least 2 to 3 days, he will be outside. Sometimes he will be in BGS Gurukul. One Gurukul he has made in Vrindavan where I put my son. So every week at least one time he will be visiting that Gurukul. He is coming from Mandi. I visited that Mandi. It was very hilly place. So it was very difficult to travel. So every time when we traveled, either my daughter vomited, my son vomited. I was almost about to vomit. The journey was such. And every week at least 3 times he will be traveling. From that place he will be coming to one time BGS, one time he will be coming to Kanpur. He was previously professor of IIT Kanpur. Now he became the director of IIT Mandi some 3 years before, but before that he was the professor of IIT Kanpur, and still he is holding that position also. And there he has made a lot of devotees. So making young people devotees is very difficult nowadays. Making children and old age people is very easy. Children are very innocent, and old age people have seen all the sufferings of life. So now they want to find something. So it is very easy to grab the young stars like this and old people. But grabbing the youngsters like you, it is very difficult because of so much of distractions nowadays, especially because of mobile and other gadgets. After coming, society is getting totally spoiled towards anything. So, but he has attracted those people. So all his students are IITians. IIT Kanpur, hundreds of students are there. So those people are doing devotion. So it is so beautiful that such young people are doing devotion. Because at one point of time we used to think that this devotion is for old people. Even now people will tell that devotion is for either for ladies or for old people. They will tell, some people will tell like that. But seeing such youngsters doing devotion, it is really heart touching. And every year 2 times he will be keeping the retreat, and he will be calling all the people, so that all the people, not only this online association, all the people can get his offline association also. That's why 2 times in a year he will be keeping the retreats either in Vrindavan or Mayapur or Puri or even Mandi, etc. And it was very difficult. Initial task was very difficult. When he just came to IIT Mandi, immediately next year he started the program. So it was a very difficult task for him. Lot of opposition was there. Lot of people were against it actually. But still he continued that, and now even Goshala has also come. So we are losing our spiritual values. Our spiritual values, India, when Prabhupada ji went to the West first time, then they were telling, why you have come here? You were telling the Britishers, you have taken everything from us, all the wealth from us, all the wealth, everything you have taken. But you forgot to take one thing, that is the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Then he showed the Bhagavad Gita. I told, I have come here to give you that which you forgot to take. So, so like that, their vision. And our Srila Prabhupada also at the age of 70, by the instruction of his Guru only, at the age of 70, he has taken one cargo ship, and from 40 days of journey, and he had two heart attacks in between also, and in spite of that, he made this huge worldwide movement. So you can see the dedication of those people. They don't care about personal comforts and everything. So in front of them, I'm just a useless fellow only. I'm just told the example, just a magnet behind the curtain. The magnet is there, which is just keeping me attracted. One time he came here, our teacher, ITMI director Purushottam Prabhuji, he was about to come, and everything, all the pamphlets, everything we have distributed. One program was in Bhavini Auditorium, open auditorium, and the next day Sunday program was supposed to be in my house. But suddenly, just previous day, he told all the invitations, everything was over, hall booking, everything was over. And then suddenly, just previous day, he told me, Sadhukan, I am very sorry that I cannot come. My father is hospitalized. I have to go there. Some operation, he has to go urgently, so I cannot come. Then I became totally panicked. So much invitation, such a big scale we have organized. So what will happen? So I requested him, sir, please do something, sir. Everything is organized now. I cannot cancel, sir. It is absolutely, it has. I cannot come back, sir. So either you empower me, or you please send somebody, some senior devotees. I told the name of one Radhakanta Prabhu is there, who is the presently CEO of this PG as Gurukul. One Gurukul is there, Undertaker campus. He is organizing. In that, he is the CEO, and Radhakanta Prabhu is there. He has come last time. You may be remembering in Bhavini Auditorium podium. So I request either you send him, or one MBA person, Madhusudan Mukund Prabhu, who is right now looking after ISKCON Ranchi. So either any of these senior persons, or one Abhay Chaitanya Prabhu is there, CAT indoor. So some of these person you please send. And then immediately he arranged, he sent Radhakant Prabhu, he told everything. Then after that, he also told, okay, you are also sufficiently empowered to do the program yourself. And then I realized that day itself, next day we had the program. That day itself, sorry, we had 3 programs. One is that day evening, one was in Bhavini Auditorium, and next day Sunday, another morning was there. So the first day evening I had in my house itself. So that day Radhakant Prabhu could not come, he could come next day only. So I realized how speech is coming through me. You may be knowing that I am an introvert, I cannot speak. Sir may be knowing that I cannot speak much. I will be always silent in meeting, etc. I will be always silent only. So I cannot speak much. But first time I realized everything is, I am just an instrument. Everything happening by His mercy. So that day, whatever speech came, I really don't know that I am speaking this. So I wanted to have that recording, but somehow I missed that recording. So first day that speech, what different speech has come out through me. So these are all, we are all just instruments, and somebody is just using as an instrument. So then when this program happened, then Sunday the program was there, Radhakanta Prabhu did the program here. And then after the program, he himself told, you continue this program. This every Sundays you continue the program. So from that time onwards, by great mercy of God, I am able to continue even if I am having fever or 2-3 times I had fever. But I will share my experience. I had fever in the morning. And then my wife was telling, you cancel the program. No, I told no, I cannot cancel. So I have to do. So evening I took one paracetamol, set for the Sankirtan, and night everything is fever, everything has gone. And it has not come back. Fever has not come back. Normally after paracetamol, fever will come back after 12 hours. Na? So it has not come back. So 2-3 times it happened to me that with fever, just one paracetamol I have taken and started Sankirtan, and everything has gone fully. So a lot of people sometimes give the excuses that, sir, I am not well. Please share this experience. If you come, you will become better. And we see the experience of these spiritual persons. At the age of 70, Prabhupada, he used to sleep only 2 hours. Only 2 years, and he made this such a big movement. Lakhs of devotees, thousands of books he has on his own. He has written, and so much of things he has done. So once you do the spirituality, you automatically get strength. Then one more time I asked sir, my teacher, that sir, people are not coming. So that time I used to do my cooking. That time my wife was afraid for cooking for so many things. So that time I used to do the cooking. So we thought we have to give tasty prasadam also. But Rajesh has told, so I was coming for prasadam. So initially I thought, so at least I am not pure, so let me attract people with prasadam. So I used to cook for all the people. So people used to come. And nowadays I am not cooking. Now my wife is fed up actually. I will not cook at all. So that time I used to cook because he was not having the confidence of cooking for so many people. So I used to cook. And then people used to come sometimes, and 2-3 weeks people will not come. Again one day people will come, 2-3 weeks people will not come. They will have this engagement, marriage party, this, that. So one day I told sir, people are coming, what to do sir? People are coming one day, 2 days they will not come. again a new person I will see, 2 days they will come, not come, again after 3rd week or 4th week he will come. What to do, sir? How to make it come so that they come consistently? Then sir told, you don't bother, it is only for your purification. So I really experienced that this program is more for my purification, more than anybody else's purification. It is for my purification. It is really that speech has come out from that real saintly person, and I realize it is only for my purification. And in the process, you are getting the benefit. Like I told the example now, when the magnet is there and the even a paper is there, a nail is there in contact. That is a nail is myself, but I am executing that magnetic property which is there behind the curtain and able to attract the other people because of that problem. So he was told it is for your purification, and really I experienced that without this program it is very dull, life is very dull. I used to do bhakti for so many years, but it was getting degraded over the periods. But now I only realize it is getting rejuvenated every day, getting more of your association. And I thank you people also, so by simply sending so much of your busy time, and you are regularly, nowadays people are regularly coming. So I thank you all for giving me the association and giving me the opportunity to purify myself, and at the same time help you also parallelly by the mercy of my Guru. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for the most awaited prize distribution event. Now I request Sri J.K. Dayang sir to present gifts to prize winners. Please come.
No, you give, sir. You give, no, you sit, sir. Sit, sir.
Prize distribution. First prize, first category, coloring age group up to 5 years. First prize goes to Piyush K.
Come, Piyush, come, Piyush, come. Take the photo. Their parents also can come with the kid. Take one more photo with the parents also.
Second prize goes
Come,
to
Piyush, come,
Mokshita
Piyush. Come. Do regularly, yeah? Okay. Do coloring of Krishna regularly. Parent also can come, please. Okay, take care. Okay.
Third prize goes to Mahita S. Mahita, come. Sit for second. Mahita,
Certificate open that side, yeah.
thank you. Second category, drawing and painting, age group 6 to 9 years. First prize goes to Dianshini B. 6 to 9 years.
Parent also can come. Come, please. Come. Madam, yeah. Come, please. Come, madam, please come. Okay, Diyashini, come here. Every time you will come, try to come, every time you come. Okay? Do Sankirtan, do Puja, draw of Krishna, stories of Krishna. Okay?
Second prize goes to B. Shanti. She is not available here. Third prize goes to Manan. Next category, drawing and painting, age group 10 years and above. First prize goes to Sukumari ji.
Sukumari is already taken. She may not come. Okay, one time you call. Sukumari, come.
Sukumari ji, please come. Please come, take prize.
Prize already she has taken, na?
Sir, here
This
first.
is your
Please
details.
photo.
Huh? Sirisha's prize you take, later we'll give to her. Okay. No, just you come. Then you give it back. Your prize already you have taken. Okay. Her photo also we can share. Very nicely she has drawn.
Next prize goes to Akanksha ji.
Akanksha.
Ji, please come.
She does lot of service also for our program.
Next category, devotional songs, age group below 7 years. First prize goes to Srivatsa. Below 7 years category.
Nice.
Camera chudana. Srivatsa.
Srivatsa, na? Almost like my son's name. My son's name is Srivas. Srivas, he is Srivatsa. He is Srivatsa. Parent also please come. Come, Srivatsa, come. Okay, you have done devotional song, huh? Song. Nice, you keep on singing, huh? Drawing also almost very good. Your drawing also almost about to get consolation also. So continue, huh? Drawing, you do some kirtan, study something, hear something. Okay, kirtan you do. Okay, study. Huh? Okay.
मेरा फोन है सर आपका फोन दीजिए
मेरा फोन शायद उसमें चल रहा है. आपको किसी और का फोन दीजिए.
आप दे रहे हैं हो गया तो आप एक बार बोलिए नेक्स्ट सेकंड प्राइज गोes to Mokshita Sri.
You come, hey, Ramesh, you come here, come. You come here. You come here. That you change. That video you change. That second, right side mobile. Right side mobile, yes, you change that.